Hey, welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Let's talk about light bars. Good morning. Welcome to Florida Jeep Rides, 1995Wrangler.com and Jeep Wrangler things. Good Saturday morning. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Hey, we're at Jeeptoberfest. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Today, we're going to Tiger Bay, the Woody Track. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. All right, welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. The other day on the way to work, my brakes froze up. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Today, we're at Tassohatchee Wildlife Management Area. All right, welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. Good morning. Welcome to Jeep Week. We're stopping at Tiger Bay on the way up to Daytona. Jeep life. On this day that I chose, this beautiful Saturday morning in Florida, I have one neighbor running a leaf blower, the other neighbor mowing his yard. Woohoo! Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. It's called Twin Oaks Conservation Area. Woo-wee! Sure smells like I drove over some dog poop. A couple of Jeeps. We're out in the Pine Flatwoods area off of Reedy Creek. Summertime. Banana spiders. They're big and they bite. This is Lake Apopka North Shore Wildlife Drive. Welcome to St. John's River Management District. My wife got a new Jeep. We're gonna get rid of this cattle pusher over here today and this stock bumper, and in this box is a new bumper. Let's open it up and see what's on the inside. Welcome to Florida Jeep Rides. Today we're with Orlando Jeep Club. Hello. Welcome to Florida Jeep Rides. Hey. Before I bump my face on that. Welcome to Jeep Wrangler things. Hey, you got a Jeep? Let's talk tires. Light bars before lockers. Today, we're at Three Lakes Wildlife Management Area. Today, we're gonna take a trip to Wild, Florida. Hey, there's that branch. Uh-oh, I just lost my clutch. Welcome to 1995Wrangler.com. All right, we're done for now.